Oh my gosh, I wasn't ready. Let me get comfortable, okay? Alright. Let me just get a little situation. Oh, hey! Ah, there we go. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the San Diego International Fringe Festival, right? You know, just having a good time, hanging out, putting in a couple of jams, trying to keep everything in the frame, you know what I'm saying? Making sure that we're also. Oh my gosh! Oh, what? Where did this come from? Girl, you just laying up and stuff. She need to get up. You don't know why she need to get up? Because we have some shows, right? San Diego, we have some shows, so you should show up. You know what I'm saying? Because if you don't show up, then you might. Oh, hey. Boy, Wiley made your boy good, didn't he? Shout out to Wiley College, boy. That's some great. What you? Oh, you ready? Oh, you are? Okay. You said you ready, then. We should go on a journey. Where are we going? This is me, eating up the hater in my head. My biggest obstacle is the enemy within. The out of all skin got me exhausted. The cars I take in, so now I'm coughing. No joking. This is it, I gotta be legit. They weeding out the fakes with race, and I equipped to Uber and the stage. If you need a lift, I ain't even got a car, but these bars take trips. Yeah, I do my seat always playing. Just to show little bro, he can go do the same. My auntie told me he needs to fix his grades, but no one brain know if I don't do what I say. So this is it. I'm motivated and liberated, and I'm initiating all of the greatness I kept inside. This is it. No more contemplating, yeah. I can put my grind in. This is transformation. Yo, and it's time to get my conscience right. Develop my core till we explode. Dynamite. I've been underground. No, I won't apologize. Focus on my guidance. Honestly, the Apollo cry. Laying guys in his blood. What kind of God am I? To criticize his lullabies. Or no, we polarize. We polarize for genocide. Cause they tend to lie. Every time they're one I pay, we can minimize. No cool, they suicide until we ostracize. So I leveled up until I'm ostracized. Add another sentence and it's maximized. But no capital crime and capital eyes. Liberty enslavement. Critics behaving and lazy. The Trump statements were hating, ain't no surprise. This is it. Public congregation, y'all. Stop hallucination. Fix a situation. We making to save our lives. This is our chance. Make a decision and strongly stance. I was lesson learning. Now I teach class. Working my path. Teaching my craft. Every song is better than my last. This is it. Moving that critical mass. And it be pivotal that I am lyrical. Most of y'all typical spitting out trash. Yeah, it's not subliminal, it's unconditional. You're not original, pass like a give and go, blow like a merry-go, dressing my winnacle. Under the mistletoe, let's be a miracle. Who is habitual? Don't let the missile blow. Who is minuscule? Making like criminals. This is the ritual, literal, liberal, breaking it down all the way to the spiritual. I just roll my residual. You can go see this visual. I be moving like it's biblical. Man, I'm working like it's intervals. Come and see my show, like what you know. I be going down the road, I curl my toes. If they wanna know, I go. I'm on the road, and now I'm at a Fringe show, San Diego. Oh!